Learn to walk before you run. The idiom, learn to walk before you run, is a common expression that suggests the importance of mastering the basics before attempting more advanced or complex tasks. It emphasizes the need to build a solid foundation before moving on to more challenging endeavors. This idiom is often used to advise someone to take a gradual and step-by-step approach to learning or achieving something. It implies that rushing into a task without proper preparation or understanding can lead to mistakes, setbacks, or even failure. By starting with the basics and gradually progressing, one can develop a stronger skill set or knowledge base and increase their chances of success. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of this idiom. 1. Imagine a beginner learning to play the piano. If they attempt to play complex pieces without first learning the basic scales and finger placement, they will likely struggle and become frustrated. In this case, someone might advise them, learn to walk before you run. Start with simple exercises and gradually progress to more challenging compositions. 2. Let's say a new employee joins a company and is eager to make a significant impact right away. Their manager might caution them, take your time and learn to walk before you run. Start by understanding the company's processes and procedures, and gradually take on more responsibility as you become familiar with the job. 3. A student who wants to excel in mathematics might be tempted to skip the foundational concepts and jump straight into advanced topics. A teacher might remind them, remember, learning to walk before you run is crucial in mathematics too. Make sure you have a solid understanding of basic arithmetic operations before moving on to more complex equations. 4. When starting a new fitness routine, it is important to build endurance and strength gradually. Pushing too hard too soon can lead to injuries. A personal trainer might advise their client, start with light exercises and gradually increase the intensity. Learn to walk before you run, and you'll avoid unnecessary strain and setbacks. In all these examples, the idiom, learn to walk before you run, is used to emphasize the importance of taking a gradual and systematic approach to learning or accomplishing tasks. It encourages individuals to focus on mastering the fundamentals before attempting more advanced or challenging endeavors.